Our vision was to provide quality education to all students, giving them sound morals, principles, and a grounded value system to enable them to work hard and enlighten their mind. Provide a nurturing environment that sows the seeds of a true and keen desire to learn. Everything in life comes step by step.
I used to come for the morning walk in this area, and we were staying here right opposite this location. There was a lot of small jhuggies and the area was not being very well maintained. We discussed with my wife Ritu Suri and then called our architect Mr. Dev Gua to make out a different design for place school is concerned.
Our aim was to create a very unique kindergarten, and we thought, why not create a building around a inner courtyard which could be like a small atrium.
It was a unique opportunity doing a building in wood in the plains of India.
Between these two buildings, fortunately, we have got a park. Then we have got this building, which has its own set of classrooms and amphitheater. The next building was almost like a playground equipment, as I mentioned earlier. Upper part of the wooden school created a whole network of a city, to hospital, to railway station, to airport, to supermarket, post office.
पहले दिन आए थे तो ये सारी अभी तो तैयारियां हो रही थी बन के, उसके बाद इसकी ओपनिंग हुई थी। ओपनिंग में अर्जुन सिंह भी आए थे।
पिकनिक में 8 ही बच्चे थे, 5 टीचर अदर आल्सो।
पहले थोड़े थोड़े बच्चे हुआ करते थे, अब पूरे पूरे बच्चे हैं।
बच्चे रोते हुए आते थे, वो हंसते हुए जाते हैं अब।
Mrs. Suri has done so much for so many people. Special section was started, so many children are benefiting from that.
Students should look forward to a place where they can all find their strengths and work on their weaknesses without any unnecessary pressure.
The child is the soul of the school. Everything revolves around the child. Each child is different and each child is respected for what he or she is. The best part about the school is that the child creates own curriculum and we respect their choices. The teachers are not there as teachers, they're facilitators. They work along with the child. The teachers are more like mothers in school, and they nurture the child in all areas of growth. The highlight of Step by Step is our special section, which we call our learning center. Here we have children with different needs, and each one is so special to us.
Involve the parents. They are very much part of our teaching experience.
We've always tried to teach the children in a practical way, and it's a fun way of learning. The children learn faster that way.
We have a very good balance of different activities, like they do a lot of role plays. Once a week they enact out a story. Then we have a physical activity, we have yoga.
Each child is asked a question. Each child comes out with their experience. Yes. Then we make them say the news out. Every day one child is made to say the news, which builds up the confidence of the child.
The confidence building is the main thing, I think.
Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat.
Alone you are weak, and if you are together you are strong. So stop fighting and be together.
Papa. Very good.
Do it fast.
Yes, very good. Now close it.
Step by Step Nursery School was the first school in Delhi, in fact the first nursery school in Delhi to have a separate setup, a proper setup for children with special educational needs. Also one of the few schools in Delhi at that time to start integrating children with special educational needs into the regular classrooms.
दिस इज़ योर ग्रेजुएशन सर्टिफिकेट। ये आपको मिलेगा जब आप यहाँ से पास आउट करोगे।
Our students are our legacy, and our aim is to equip them with the right tools in their formative years to help them to handle the real world. So in order to do this, we have built a school community of loving and caring teachers who build strong partnerships with the parents to help each child realize their potential. The success of our students is our legacy.
If I could describe my years here, I think I could compare it to a potter wheel. Given the kind of attitude, the confidence that you are imbibed here, I think it definitely helps you conquer the world.
Gave us a lot of confidence, and we could trust ourselves and do what we wanted to.
I remember one incident where we were supposed to get a postcard from home, and we dropped it in one of the letter boxes, which was still delivered at our place. So you basically taught us how the postal system works in the country. I felt that this school was the first step towards my education, my life, that helped me become what I am today.
I remember first walking into the school, the red-colored architecture everywhere, the colorful classrooms, the friendly teachers. It was a really positive environment. I had a lot of fun there. And I've just finished university in Australia and I've got a job lined up, and I guess everything is taken step by step.
Your education is not your bookish knowledge, it's your experiences. And step by step gave them tremendous experiences.
I used to come for the PTM here. I would always feel the teachers knew my kid much more than I knew my kid.
Values. I think it's very important, for a child from the very beginning to be taught the right kind of values. And this school, it really works on that.
My daughter Itisa, she was here for a year. She was a very shy child, but the 1 year that she spent here, I think she left the school, she had emerged into a butterfly, very confident.
She just loves the school. She wants to be back anytime I tell her we're going to step by step. She's all excited more than me that mom is going to step by step, and I want to be there too.
Before I could just send my kids, I totally didn't understand the importance of sending a child to a kindergarten. When my kids, both my daughters, passed out from here, I totally understood that this was needed for them.
My daughter was a very shy child, and the teachers, Chopra ma'am, they really helped her to become a confident child, and now she's a leader.
Yesterday I was talking to my son. He is studying in the US. He's doing his engineering. He's 21. So I was telling him, baby, I'm going to get you married in another 3 years because I want your baby to come and step by step.
Hand in hand and step by step, we learn to love and share. And as we learn, we laugh and play, and love our school more each day. We aim to do our very best to stand brave and true. We are very proud to be a part of this family. Glory, honor, and victory are ours with every step we take to make the world a better place. For step by step is our point.